So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Triple Data Plus 449 for videos para sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And dito guys, dial lang natin is asterisk 123, number sign or hashtag, and then call. So ayan guys, after nyan, ganito yung lalabas. So dito piliin natin yung number 5, which is yung giga/araw-araw. So type natin guys yung number 5, and then send. And ayan guys, dito piliin natin ulit yung giga. So number 1, and then send. And ayan, piliin naman natin guys yung Triple Data Plus. So number 3 siya. Type natin yung number 3 and then send. And dito guys, yung number 1 naman yung pipiliin natin yung video. So type natin yung video, then send. And ayan guys, dito hanapin at piliin natin yung 449. So kung makikita nyo guys, nasa number 3 siya. So type natin is number 3, then tap send. So ayan guys, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Triple Data Plus 449 para sa video, makakakuha tayo ng 12 GB. Plus, meron pa tayo guys na 1 GB na video araw-araw para sa YouTube, Netflix, and more. So bali total of 30 GB yung ating magagamit. And hindi lang yun guys, meron pa tayong unlimited calls and texts for 30 days or 1 month. So bali 449 lang siya guys. So para ma-subscribe or ma-register, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Triple Data Plus 449 para sa video sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!